Hello, it's Miss Hake back for another numeracy lesson. We are still concentrating on 2D shapes, and today we are focusing on the triangle. You got it. Wasn't that cool how you can make a fish just using triangles? Amazing. So you can either provide your little learner with pre-cut out triangles or triangles that they have to cut out to improve their scissor skills, or you could just ask them to trace and draw their own fish out of triangles. So we're going to give it a whirl today. And your fish can be decorated any way you want. And you can do a big fish, or a medium-sized fish, or a little fish, or maybe all three. Then you can cut them out, put a hole on top of your fish, get a string and maybe hang them, or create water or bubbles. You could do whatever you want with your fish. So we're going to use 2 triangles to create our fish. Are you excited? Me too. So I'm going to make a fish that goes the whole way on my page. So first I'm going to start with a point, and then one line, and then another line. Then I'm going to connect the line together, and that's going to be my fish's head. So I'm going to add an eye so I remember that is the head of my fish. And then my fish needs a body. So I think I'm going to create my point right here, and I'm going to make a line and another line. Well, I'm going to make this line a little longer because I want my body to be bigger. Then I'm going to connect it. Swim, 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 little fish. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some gills on my fish. So we've been doing squiggly lines. Whoop. And I'm going to make squiggly lines on my fish to make it look like gills. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And on his head, I'm going to make him have upside down gills that are a different color. Upside, almost like writing the lowercase m. Very cool. Now I might want to add some bubbles. Whoop, 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 just like so. And I wonder if I'm going to add some big fish lips. Big fish lips, club, club. All right, I want you to create triangle fish. Maybe your fish could be long, or there could be another triangle at the end. Do you feel finished fish, or do you want another triangle at the end? Okay, let's give you a tail. 1 and 2. See how my triangle's connected? There, that could be the tail end of my fishy, fishy, fishy. Let's see, what color? Ooh, yellow. More squiggly scales for my fish. Beautiful. You can create your fish any way you want, but remember, we're using triangles today. Cannot wait to see what you come up with. Globe, globe. Bye. See you soon.